Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I have some special guests in the room. They're going to say hello. Vinny.
What's up?
Shannon.
Hello.
We're super excited. We reached 300,000 subscribers before the end of last year, and we have wanted to do our giveaway, and we're so excited because we spent a lot of time curating these prizes. I wanted it to be super awesome for you guys, and I wanted a lot of you to win. So we are going to have 18 winners. I think that's the most we've ever done. That's more than Christmas too, isn't it? 18 winners, and I want to show you today what you can win. So we have our little iPad here to show you. First off, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I cannot tell you what that means. Every time that number goes up, it's almost like you guys are telling me that you appreciate what I do and that you like what we do, and it just means the world to me. So I thank you so much for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting on? Click that red button and subscribe. Now, what can you win? That's what y'all want to know. Before I show you the prizes, let me tell you how to enter. In the description below, there is a link to our Rafflecopter giveaway. You only have to enter one time, and you don't have to enter into each one of these giveaways. What we're going to do is collect all the entries, and we're going to pull 18 winners from all the entries, okay? So we're going to be we'll announce the winners live February 3rd in our Crafter After Show. And don't worry, if you're not in the show, don't worry, we're going to also email you. Now, winners will have 48 hours to claim their prize, and if they don't claim within 48 hours, then we will draw a new winner, and the first winner will unfortunately be out of luck on that one, because if we don't do that, sometimes the prizes just sit, and we want to make sure that these prizes get into your hands. All right, you ready? Let's look at the first one. So our first prize is a $100 gift card, but it's not just one. We're going to give away 3 $100 gift cards. So 3 lucky winners will win a $100 gift card each. So that's our first one that we're doing. Our second giveaway is a 1-year subscription to a Maymay Made It stamp club of your choice. You can choose our original or our scripture. We're going to do 3 of those as well. So there'll be 3 1-year subscriptions given away, 3 lucky winners. Then our next one is 6-month subscription to a Maymay Made It stamp club of your choice. We're going to do 3 of those also. So 3 lucky winners will get a 6-month subscription. Our next one is a 2-hour Zoom call with Maymay. Now we'll be giving away 3 of these. So that means 3 winners will win a 2-hour Zoom call with Maymay. Not in the room together. You get your own Zoom call. Now you're like, well, what's a Zoom call? This is where we video call each other, and I mark off 2 hours to spend with you. We can craft, we can just chat, we can do a tour of our store, you can talk to other staff members, whatever you want to do. 2 hours we just spend hanging out with each other. So 3 people will win that one. And then 6 of these, we're giving away 1 mystery box surprise prize to 6 people. Now you're like, what's a surprise prize? A surprise prize is a prize that will come to you in the mail and you don't have any idea what it is, and it will be loaded up with goodies for you. We do it mystery box style, and there'll be 6 winners of that. So 18 winners. How exciting, how exciting. Now, how do you enter? You go to the description below, you click on the Rafflecopter link that is in the description and enter. You have until noon on February 3rd to enter. Don't miss out. This is a great one. Again, thank you guys so much for being a part of our family. We appreciate you more than you can imagine. Vinny, you want to say thank you for our subscribers?
Hey guys, we appreciate you so much. There's no way that we could express our gratitude for what each one of you mean to us. And we're just thankful for every one of you and just pray blessings for you every day.
That's right. We appreciate you so much. We are so blessed to have you as part of our subscriber family, our crafty family, all you made it's out there. Stick around with us for 2022. We've got some exciting stuff coming. I can't wait for y'all to hear about what we're working on. And until next time, bye now.